Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to disable all notifications on Messenger. If you're tired of being bombarded with notifications from Messenger, follow these simple steps to regain control of your notification settings. First, open your Android phone's settings. This can usually be found by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping on the gear icon. Next, navigate to the Apps section in your Settings menu. This is where you can manage all of the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Messenger, then select it to open the app settings. Once you're in the Messenger app settings, look for the Notifications option. This is where you can customize the notification settings for Messenger. Tap on Notifications to open the notification settings for Messenger. Finally, to disable all notifications from Messenger, simply toggle off the option for Show Notifications. And that's it. You have successfully disabled all notifications from Messenger on your Android phone. Now you can enjoy a more peaceful and uninterrupted messaging experience. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.